Here is your grand tour of the Casino Royale on board Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas. We just took a look at the lobby bar, the 1400 lobby bar. There's a few ways to get to the Casino Royale. One of them is deck 5 on the Royal Promenade. You take the escalator down, and this dumps you off actually into the non-smoking portion, which was very smart, so the smoke doesn't come up. But they still have the doors, two different doors, to keep the airflow trapped in there. And from escaping upward, you have to use the sensors to open the doors, and it puts you right at the casino bar, lots of seating areas. So this is the non-smoking portion. And the forward portion, now the Casino Royale on Icon is the largest square footage of any casino in the world. However, interestingly enough, it has actually less number of slot machines than an Oasis class. And this is before the casino opens, and it is very well climate controlled. This whole area here is all non-smoking, and it does have a high limit room. There's 5 total roulette tables. There is your casino host, Mr. Chris Wong. There's your high limit room. All this is part of the non-smoking side of the casino. There's more slot machines in there. There's 1 roulette table. And when you get to the smoking side, that's towards the back of the ship. You can see the nicely colored carpet. It's very, very spread out. This casino is huge. So now once you get through this little area here, that is the smoking side. And you name it, they have it as far as slot machines. They have pinball, they have top dollar. Of course, lots of slot machines. That's where they make their money. They have rake and bacon. They have more than 1 bank of those. They have lots of Dragon Link. There's one of the other roulette tables. Several blackjack tables. And this is in the smoking side. They have a little section here with just tables in the center. I guess people can stand around with their drinks. And that is the Casino Royale. That's the smoking side, and you exit out towards the back. It's one of the ways to exit. We have another. This is the 2 roulette tables. They're banked next to each other. There's some more Dragon Link. And as you go through the casino, you can exit out through the back of the ship. And there's even more Rake and Bacons and Funan Funu. They have them situated on both ends of the ship. And I was trying to show you all the different machines here. Too many to count. I don't know the exact count of them, but you can just get lost in this casino. And then there is the exit going to the aft, and this dumps you off into deck 4 elevator bank, and then the main dining room. So that is your tour of Casino Royale on board the Royal Caribbean, Icon of the Seas. It's a beautiful layout. Again, if you're coming from the dining room, going in from this portion, looks really pretty.